Hi everyone, so a really quick video for today. You don't even have a lot of assignment today, so your assignment is very little work, assuming that you're caught up. If you haven't read The Landlady and Thank You Ma'am, then you need to catch up and do that, and that's going to add to your workload today. But if you're caught up, you have a very small assignment today. So the first to do is watch the video, and you're doing that, so that's awesome. Next is a little bit of information here, the big idea. So we have a quiz tomorrow, and it's going to cover The Landlady by Roald Dahl. It's going to cover Thank You Ma'am by Langston Hughes, and that Somebody Wanted But So Then summary writing strategy that we've been working on. And also, of course, those basic requirements in writing. So you should be writing in complete sentences with correct capitalization, punctuation, using standard formal English. Make sure you're proofreading and correcting little mistakes that you find or that Google Docs finds, right, and puts the little squiggly lines underneath so that you're turning in quality work. All right, your job today to get ready for the quiz tomorrow is first, if you need to review The Landlady or Thank You Ma'am, maybe you did the work, but it was a while ago and you want to review, or you didn't do the work for that story, you can watch these. Both of these are links to YouTube videos of someone reading the story, and it also has the text. So it has the scrolling text so you can read while they read, so you can listen. If you haven't done the assignments that go with these stories, I would go back and do those too, because obviously they're marked missing in the grade book. But if you want to review, you can use these links to review. If you don't feel like you need to, like I remember The Landlady, I remember Thank You Ma'am, I'm ready for the quiz on those, then you can skip this part. So that was just put in there for your convenience if you needed to review. What you do need to do for sure today is to complete these two graphic organizers. They're both really small, but they're going to get you ready for writing a Somebody Wanted But So Then review or summary, sorry, tomorrow. So first you're going to write one for The Landlady by Roald Dahl. And you're not really writing the paragraph today, you're just filling out the information. So who is the main character, right? The somebody, that's the somebody. And then the wanted, right? What did the main character want or need? But, somebody wanted, but, right? The but part is the problem or the conflict in the story. What was the problem? And then remember, somebody wanted, but, so how did that protagonist or main character who wants something go about solving the problem? And then finally is the then. So how did it all work out? What was the resolution to the conflict? Most stories will have a resolution. Some stories do not. They don't resolve the conflict in the story. So then you're just going to talk about how the story ended. So you're just filling out the graphic organizer for The Landlady. You're going to do the same thing for Thank You Ma'am. Again, these are both stories that you've already read. So assuming you're caught up with your work, this should be a quick and easy work day for you. If you have questions or concerns, especially before the quiz tomorrow, Google Meet with me. I'm happy to help. Have a great day.